Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to put apps in deep sleep. The first thing you do is tap on settings, then scroll down to battery on device care, tap on it, tap on battery, and bottom there you can see the apps that use your battery. Now you tap on view details. Let's say I don't want this, but I want to put one of these in deep sleep. I can tap on, let's say I want to put more reader in deep sleep on more reader. You can see the option of background usage limit, tap it on, and now we have two options. You can put it to sleep or put it to sleep. Now if you put it to sleep, the sleeping app should run the background only occasionally. Updates and notification may be delayed, but I'm going to put in deep sleep. And when I put in deep sleep, it means that it will never run in the background and you never receive updates or notification. It will only work when I open it. It's as simple as that.